In this video, we will put together all our visualization methods that we have learned so far to understand the data. We will use a sample of famous dataset Titanic to understand the survival rate. First, load the dataset Titanic, str Titanic, to understand the data types. Let's plot the data. From the plot, we can observe the survival rate infers an estimate of 250 people survived. Let's clarify this with another graph. This time, we'll use AES color is equal to frequency greater than 300. From this plot, now we can clearly confirm that more than 300 people didn't survive. Now, let's take this one step further and understand which group survived the most. By applying facet grid class, we can clearly observe the crew survived the most, followed by the first class. And to know their ages, we will add age in the facet grid function. So most of them were adults. How about the gender? Let me change the age to sex in facet grid. Okay, we can determine that most of the crew survived were male and females from the first class. One more thing, we can also observe that the females from all the classes except the crew are given the most priority than the males. Might be the reason the females survive the most as part of the males. In the next chapter, we will learn how to visualize our data using a map from Google.